The BYD Seagull, named for its graceful and breezy connotations, has quickly gained traction in the automotive market since its launch in 2023. This small yet noteworthy city car has earned praise for its modern design, solid performance, and commitment to being eco-friendly. With a starting price under $10,000, the Seagull is considered by many as the most affordable quality EV available in the market. Now, before we delve into the details, please consider subscribing and turn on the bell, so you will not miss the latest developments in the automobile industry. Part of BYD's Ocean series, the BYD Seagull showcases an arresting exterior design that marries futuristic aesthetics with practicality. At the front, the Seagull commands attention with its aggressive stance. The angular headlights cut through the air, complemented by pronounced creases that emphasize its dynamic character. Moving along the side profile, the Seagull maintains its dramatic flair with sleek lines and black accented wheels and wheel arches. At the rear, the Seagull makes a bold statement with connected rear lamps, emphasizing its width and modernity. The interior embodies a harmonious blend of sleek design and innovative features, ensuring a delightful driving experience for occupants. The centerpiece of the cabin is its impressive dual-screen setup, comprising a 5-inch instrument cluster and a commanding 12.8-inch infotainment display. These vibrant screens provide drivers with essential information at a glance and offer seamless access to entertainment and navigation features. The interior design follows a minimalist approach, emphasizing clean lines and intuitive functionality, with easily accessible physical buttons completing the user-friendly layout. The Seagull impresses with its performance across multiple fronts. Powered by a front-mounted electric motor delivering 74 horsepower, it provides a responsive and efficient driving experience. While not designed for outright speed, its acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in around 13 seconds ensures a smooth ride for daily commutes. One of the Seagull's most notable features is its impressive range. Equipped with a 38 kWh battery, it offers an estimated range of 405 km, making it suitable for various driving scenarios, from urban outings to longer journeys. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe and turn on the bell. See you in the next video.